Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. So let's do a review and see if this soap pump actually works. I've got some soap here we're going to put underneath the sink. I want to be able to mount this and we're going to see if this tube will suck up the soap. Now this does have the check valve already installed. There is an arrow on it and there's a sticker here that lets you know that this is what you connect to the pump head. And then this is what's going to go, this end is going to go into the soap. So if we look at the arrow points up towards the pump head. This is the actual pump head. We've got some different caps we can put on different containers for the tube to go through. This is like a little filter. You can put this on the end of the tubing, and that's what you're going to stick down into the soap container. Now we have some little clamps here with double-sided tape. Let's take this nut off and let's install this and connect the tube. Okay, so let's take the tubing. We've got to poke it down in there. Okay, we can pull that out. That's nice. Okay, so we could install this. We can pull this out, and then we can just put the tube up through here. That's really nice. Okay, I got it now. And then we can force this on there like that. All right, so let's go ahead. First thing we'll do is we'll mount this. There's two rubber O-rings. So we'll put one rubber O-ring right here. We'll put it through the hole, and then I'll go on the bottom and put the nut in the other O-ring. Now, by far the hardest part was putting the nut on the back side of this. Now, I did take, so there's the check valve. I did take that off because it was going to be kind of hard for me to feed that up through there. If I had two people, it would be easy because this won't fit. So I can put this down through here now, and I'll connect this down there later. But now I can put that through there. And then I can connect this. Just push it on. There's your pump. And then that's just going to sit there like that. All right. That was a little small for that hole, but it does look okay. There was quite a bit of room in that hole. Now I got to take this, put that other end on here, and then I can pick whatever soap I want. I think this soap smells really good. Let's see if, nope. So these two, but this one's kind of like a rubber. These ones actually have threads. This one will kind of fit multiple ones because you can kind of make it expand to fit. So I'll put that on there. Let's feed the hose through it first. And then I'll put this. This is just a little screen down there to keep it from sucking up anything. So I'll kind of get the measurement, put this in the soap. There. All right, there's my check valve. I'll go connect the other end to that. It just simply pushes on, very easy. And I can use these little two-sided clamps to help hold it. Okay, it's all hooked up. I did cut a little piece off just because I didn't want a bunch of excess, but here's what it looks like. Now let's see how many pumps. Nothing's coming out yet. Okay, it's starting to come out. I think it's going to take yeah, it's going to take a little bit. There it's going. It's going. It's going. I think it's getting past that check valve. Yeah, it's starting to go past that check valve. I'm just kind of helping it along. There, that's helping a bunch by pressing the tube. going. But yeah, pressing this tube I think helps. Yeah, I'm moving it up that tube by pressing this. Okay, I've been doing this for about another 5 minutes. It's all the way up here. I just got to get it through. This has been helping pressing this tube. I can hear it. Almost. Okay, so finally. All right, we're getting something out. It's not okay. It's getting more and more with every pump. Okay. So now it is working. But that's about how much you get out with each pump. So that took a lot of effort. It's not a simple install, press it a few times and it works. What I found to be the biggest trick was pressing this tube. What that'll do is that'll draw it up that way, but it won't. The check valve prevents it from going back into the container. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.